This is the stupidest video I've ever made. We got 4 notes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. What scale is that? We got a hot cross buns moment going on. No. I feel like that's as good as we're gonna get. I feel like I'm really good at that part. No. I feel like we got the notes. I'm gonna try to wheeze. Ready? Imagine I just do the Kamala Harris laugh. Hit a little whistle tone there. Let me try to do it with the track. I just sound like a Mickey Mouse, bro. I can't wheeze like that. No, I can't wheeze. I'm not a wheezer. See you next one. Last attempt. We're locking in. No. Bro, finally got the wheeze. Let me know how I did and comment down below what I should do next.